how am I going to deal with all this shadow GPT and how am I going to deliver solutions to guys and gals I know who are going to operationalize this? And
I'm very glad to have Vernon Keenan with us. Vernon runs Salesforce and is a prolific thinker for all things Salesforce in the space of DevOps, AI, data security, and just generally someone who spent a lot of time. I always am impressed, of course, by his intelligence, but more than that, his wisdom. And that only comes from very seasoned experience. He's done some incredibly great, deep analysis of technologies, options for Salesforce customers. And we are very happy to have Vernon as a speaker in two of our sessions at Enterprise Dreaming. So we'll talk a little bit about it and see what Vernon has to say. So Vernon, thank you so much. Can you tell our viewers about the build versus buy session that you are co-presenting with other speakers?
sure, well, I think we're all presented with a lot of vendor options right now coming from Salesforce, Microsoft, Google, whole bunch of people. So there's some concern about mounting costs associated with all those options. And also, maybe some of those options are going to take a while to deliver. So some customers are wondering, well, how am I going to deal with all this shadow GPT and how am I going to deliver solutions to guys and gals I know who are going to operationalize this and make money with AI? How can I do that? So what in this session we're going to go over briefly the big vendors, what you can expect from them, and then we're going to cover how you can build your own solutions with the three major cloud providers. We'll talk about their offerings, and then I'll get a chance to demo my AI gateway for Salesforce, and that will show how you can build a very simple prompt engineering platform for testing and deployment in your Salesforce org.
That is such a great session. I cannot wait for us to have that conversation with everyone. I've spoken with a lot of customers for AI plus Salesforce enablement, and that's the same thing I get. There's a lot of interest in this space, but a lot of folks are sitting on the fence because they are still trying to figure out what's the right way. Do we build something internally? Do we leverage, pre-built solutions, the AI, GPT-5, others? Or do we look at large vendors, Salesforce, and a whole lot of those?
And everybody's got a different risk profile for that. So we'll try to take a look at that so you can make your own informed decisions.
Absolutely. Thank you so much on that, Brian. Looking forward to it and hope you all get a chance to join us in the session. It's on the 23rd of August and see you there. Check out for more details on enterprisedreamin.org. Thank you so much.